Hello again, IMVU creators. Today I'm gonna talk about IMVU KSA SoundMaker or IMVU KSA Music Maker. It's a software that will let you create music, music trigger products in IMVU. The one that you say, for example, S1, S2, and it starts playing music. They call it maybe rings. So first you need to download it from my site, IMVUKSA.com. It's called IMVU KSA Music Maker or Sound Maker, I don't know. Then after that you need to register it. After paying the license, you can register it. Then you have two options, either to import a media file you have in your PC or import a YouTube video. It will convert it immediately to a sound file. So let's start with the import from YouTube. So you click import from YouTube, then you copy and paste the hyperlink for your YouTube video and you paste it here, then you click OK. So it will start downloading the audio file. As you can see now, it started and it created an MP3 file for you. This is the sound file. As you can see, this is the music. So now you select which bitrate you need. The higher the best sound, the higher the bitrate, the more sound quality. So for me, I need to create only one product in IMVU, so I will select the 48, which number of products I need, only one, and this is the total size, because IMVU have a limit per each product, not more than 2 megabytes. So I'll select this one and I will click select bitrate from above, then press here to create a IMVU product. So I'll press, so here it started to split the file into OGG files and it's finished. It will create a folder with the same name. This chicken file is the IMVU project file, so you need to open IMVU, create mode, and then select open local project and select the chicken file we created. So as you can see here, let me show you. Here you can see the triggers. See S1, S2, S3. Those are the triggers. If I click play, it will play the sound. So you just upload and that's it. This is how to create music files using a IMVU KSA, SoundMaker or Music Maker. And happy creating.